In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manipulate colors in photos in Luminar 4. We'll move from quick global adjustments to precise color targeting and creative grading, all inside the tools you already have. Start in the Essentials tab and open the Color panel. Two core sliders here set the tone for everything else. Saturation raises or lowers the intensity of all colors in the image, so use it when you want an overall boost or a dialed-back look. Vibrance is more selective, gently lifting muted colors while protecting skin tones and the brightest areas, which helps you avoid that overcooked look. If your photo feels too warm or too cool, use Remove Color Cast to automatically neutralize unwanted tints and get a cleaner baseline before you refine further. For more control, switch the color panel to HSL mode. This is where you adjust specific color ranges without touching the rest of the image. Work by choosing hue, saturation, or luminance. Hue changes the actual color, like nudging greens toward teal. Saturation makes that chosen color more or less intense, perfect for taming neon clothing or boosting a dull sky. Luminance controls how bright or dark that color appears, ideal for deepening blue skies or brightening foliage. Make small moves and watch the overall balance of the scene as you go. When you're ready for mood and tone, open Color Balance. It lets you target shadows, midtones, and highlights separately. Move the sliders along the cyan red, magenta green, and yellow blue axes to steer the palette. This is great for both correcting stubborn color casts and building a cinematic vibe, like cooling shadows while warming highlights for contrast and depth. For stylized refinement, use color harmony in the professional tools. Brilliance and warmth intensifies richness and shifts the overall temperature with nuance. Color contrast increases separation between colors rather than light and dark, adding presence without crushing detail. Split color warmth lets you offset warm and cool regions for a modern split-toned feel that still respects the image's structure. Next, try the toning tool to add color to shadows and highlights independently. Set hue and saturation for each range, then use balance to determine which side dominates. A timeless approach is warm highlights paired with cooler shadows for a cinematic finish. Finally, when you need to adjust only one color in a specific area, use color masking in the Masking Tools panel. Sample the color directly in the photo, refine the range to include just what you need, and then make your edits. It's a clean way to tweak only the green grass or only the blue sky without touching everything else.